Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm making upma the way which we get in hotels in Bangalore. I just love it. It's called Khara Bhath. So for that I've kept a thick bottom pan. Add oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil or more if you don't mind. Then 2 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon. Then into this we'll add a 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, we'll add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of chana dal and some cashew nuts. If you like raisins, you can add that also. And now saute it for some time till it turns light brown in color, golden in color. And into this we'll add a piece of ginger, a small piece of ginger and chilies as per taste. And I'm using 2 onions here, chopped. And we'll saute it till the onions become translucent. And into this we'll add 1 cup of unroasted rava. This is not roasted. And then we'll fry the rava along with the onions and other things. Fry it well. And into this we'll add a pinch of turmeric for color. And now we'll add boiling water into this. For 1 cup of rava or suji, I have taken 3 cups of boiling water. Now we will add salt to taste. The salt should be correctly added so that only then the upma will taste good. If the salt is less, then upma will not taste good, and also it should not be more. Then into this we'll add 2 chopped tomatoes and some coriander leaves, and a tasty and soft and delicious upma is getting ready. So now we'll close it and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes till it becomes soft. And into this, once it's cooked, once it's done, we can add some ghee. This is optional. If required, you can add. It will add to the taste. And give it a mix. I've also made a coconut chutney to be served with this. Just grinding coconut, some pottu kadala, and that is fried gram, green chilies, coriander leaves, a little garlic, and salt to taste. Do try the recipe. Thank you for watching.